Ayan guys, ito yung Sibulan Airport. Ayan no, ito yung pagsasakay ka ng aeroplano. Yan yung runway. Ayan no. Ayan guys, so first time tayong nakapag video ng airport. I guess part pa to ng Sibulan pero it's called Dumaguete Airport. Let's verify mamaya kung tama ba ako. It's still Sibulan no. Kita nyo, may Sibulan. Hindi. O ano pala yan. Wrong ano. Ayan guys, yung runway ng Sibulan Airport.